Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the operating system and getting admin or sudo access. This matters because system logs need elevated rights to show uptime. Once done, close heavy apps so background processes don't skew results, and choose whether you want the built-in method or a third-party utility for more detail. Start with the fastest path, built-in tools. They are secure and require no installs. Make sure to note the current time as a baseline. That helps interpret the results correctly. Now, you run the built-in checks that give immediate uptime and session details. On Windows, open Task Manager, Performance, and read uptime, or run System Info in CMD to get boot time. This shows why uptime differs from active screen time. On Mac OS and Linux, use the uptime command in Terminal for system runtime and activity monitor, or lastx for shutdown history to build a timeline. Once you have those numbers, make a note of boot time versus active use. Finally, you install a monitoring app when you need detailed screen-on statistics and historical logs. These apps log when the display was active and export CSV for analysis. Once installed, enable continuous logging and set the interval to 1 to 5 minutes for a balance of accuracy and battery use. If apps show incomplete data, check file permissions, system log settings, and graphics driver updates. Then reboot and rerun the capture. One key troubleshooting tip: if logs stay empty, verify the app has accessibility or admin rights and re-enable screen activity permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.